Hey everyone, it's Astrema Simone here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my affordable shower routine. Nowadays, personal care products have become so expensive. I wanted to share some affordable options, all under $50, that last long, have some dual use, and are very effective. All products will be linked in the description box below, and I hope you keep on watching to receive some self-care tips today. I'm starting off with a washcloth. Yes, a washcloth. I know there's some controversy with using a washcloth, but as long as you wash it after about 3 to 5 use, you'll be fine. The Dove Beauty Bar is a great option for all over your body. It retails for only $1, which is very cost effective. It's fragrance free, hypoallergenic, great for sensitive skin, leaves your skin very moisturized. You can use it from head to toe. I really love this option. You can use it on your face. You could use it down on your lady bits because it is made for sensitive skin and not one fragrance within this bar. So I definitely think this is a great budget friendly option, and using that washcloth to get in every nook and cranny helps too. So the Dove Body Love Wash is a great option if you're not really into bar soaps because it is also fragrance-free, hypoallergenic. It has only 12 ingredients. It retails for about $10, and I like to use it with this silicone body scrubber, which is also better for your skin and better than using a loofah because it doesn't harbor any bacteria. So I'm jumping in with this body scrubber towel, which is great for exfoliating. I pair it with my native body wash. So the body scrub towel retails for less than $10, and the native body wash retails for $9 still. The body scrubber towel is a great option for those who don't want to use a sugar scrub or like a harsh scrub. The towel can get into hard to reach places, your back, and it literally eliminates old skin cells, leaving your body looking very smooth and polished. And I love to use this. And the native body wash comes in so many different scents, and the bottle lasts you a long time because it lathers up so nicely. It looks so creamy and nice, smells so good. There's so many scents: coconut, vanilla, eucalyptus, you name it. I absolutely love the native body wash, and pairing these two is a great option for making my skin feel supple, smell so good. And as long as you rinse out that body scrubber towel and leave it to hang and dry, you won't harbor any bacteria. Here's a game changer right here. The Olay body conditioner, retailing at only $8. Ever since I started using this, my body just felt so good post-shower. All you got to do is put it all over your body and then you just rinse it off. Simple as that. I don't know what the scientific method is behind this, but I love it. And the Olay body conditioner comes in so many different types and scents, and there's different vitamins and nutrients for the skin within this, and I just really love to use it. The price point is also great, so I would say if you want your skin to feel really soft, especially in the winter time, this is definitely a great thing to add to your shower routine. Now it's time to apply some lotion. I've been using the Aveeno Tone and Texture Daily Renewing Lotion. It retails for about $12, I know, but this lotion is great for hydrating your skin. My skin has enhanced so very much. It's also fragrance free, but there is a tad bit smell of some oatmeal, but it's not a strong, overpowering smell. Another option that is actually more affordable is this Brazil nut body butter. It's from Trader Joe's and it retails for about $6, y'all. It smells absolutely amazing when I tell you. It's like a dupe to the Sol de Janeiro. It's thick and rich, and it comes in this nice little jar. It makes my skin feel really soft, and a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot. It has notes of coconut and vanilla, and you're just going to be walking around smelling like just a ball of Brazil nut. So definitely try it out if you haven't already. Lastly, it's time to apply deodorant, and I'm using the native deodorant in coconut vanilla. It retails for about $13, but I'm telling you, it will last you a long time. It's absolutely amazing. It's aluminum free, baking soda free, paraben free, and it's made for sensitive skin. There's so many scents to choose from. When I tell you, it works. I've tested out so many different aluminum free deodorants, but with this native one, it keeps me smelling fresh all day. I test it out in the hot summer sun, and sometimes I can't wait to sweat so that I can smell it. Like, I know that sounds kind of weird, but I'm telling you, it smells so good and I just love it so very much.